everyone. Thank you so much for joining me today. I appreciate all of your guys' support. I kind of wanted to get that out there before I did the video. I just want to say thank you so much for everyone who watches my videos and for subscribing and liking and commenting. I appreciate all of that very much, so thank you. I also just want to say that yes, my channel is a huge mess. I don't really have one specific niche, and I'm okay with that. I kind of just want to produce content that I like, so I'm going to continue doing makeup videos and bullet journal videos and now car videos. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I've really been looking forward to filming this. I've just been waiting for the part to come in, which was really nerve-wracking. I just wanted to get on with it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I hope you guys like my car mod. So before I get started with applying the modification, I wanted to give you guys a quick tour of my car and tell you a little bit about her. She's got a lot of quirks and a big personality. So the first part about her is that, as you can tell, she's got a chrome black wrap. And this is part of the design. This is not sun damage at all whatsoever. Definitely part of the design on purpose completely. As you can see, it's very neatly finished. So I like a clean look. I don't want to do anything too big to the outside. I don't want to be a racer. But I thought that this modification would be perfect for my car. I think it definitely gives it a more sophisticated look. As many of you know, I actually really like big wings. So I'm going to do something a little unorthodox to my car. But I'm very excited to put this on, so let's get started. So this is the box that the part came in. I actually got a little impatient and went ahead and opened it already, but I'll show you guys what it looks like and then how to apply it. All that you're gonna need is actually a set of wipes to clean the area where you're gonna apply the part, and then we can just apply it. So now that we've unboxed the part, we can just go ahead and apply it, and it just requires both hands, and that's it, literally. You guys are probably wondering why I got a part that was so big and showy, even though I said that I didn't want to be a racer. But honestly, I think the world needs to know about how great my car is. Its engine and performance is just insane. I mean, seriously, I went broke over buying this car. You don't just drop 50K for any regular car. But yeah, I mean, it's track time, you know, the quarter mile in 10 minutes. Come on, like really? Who wouldn't drop 50K for that? So I'm very excited for this. Let's get started. So like I said, all that you're gonna need is a wipe to wipe down the area where you're going to apply the wing. So just go ahead and make it nice and clean so that the wing will stick. And then you kind of want to dry it a little bit so that it's not super wet, because otherwise it won't stick. And now that we've kind of dried the area, we're going to take the part and you're going to take off this film right here. And so now you've got this sticky part right here. And so you want to measure where you're going to place this part. It's very important that you get it in the dead center. So I'm going to put it right above the Toyota sign, which is right here. And we're just going to apply it. And I want to put it more towards the edge of my car. Line it up and press down. And make sure you put a lot of force so that it sticks. You want it to be straight on there and not get pulled by the wind. And there you go. I just did my very first car mod. This is so cool, you guys. Now we have a wing on my Corolla, and its price just went up to $60,000 because of this. I know, insane. I'm sorry that I didn't tell you guys. If you want to do this modification yourself, you have to drop at least 10K. I mean, this is a carbon fiber wing, completely jet black, so I mean, you can't get that cheap, I'm sorry. And carbon fiber is the best material. So I just had to do, you know, what was best with my totally expensive car. So let's show you guys how it looks on the road. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this awesome car modification that is very complex and looks very cool on your car. totally suggest it. If you don't have a wing or spoiler, go with this.